Alright, this is a little video about my new Smith & Wesson 1522 MOE Edition Magpul Original Equipment Edition. So it comes with the Magpul adjustable stock, the Magpul grip. It's also got storage under there, right there. That's removable and you can store stuff in there. It has the Magpul flip up sights, backup sights, whatever they call them. I added myself the Magpul front grip and the Magpul other front grip. I forget what it's called, vertical grip, or I don't know. Basically, I put these two Magpuls did not come on the gun. I added these. That's about all I added, minus this Walmart red dot scope. It's like 30 bucks. Haven't tried it out yet, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Like I said, I haven't shot the gun yet. It's empty. There's nothing in it. Seems pretty sweet. It's pretty light. See, adjustable rear stock. Says M&P right there. 1522. It says MOE right there. It's the MOE stock, MOE grip. It's got the flash hider, suppressor, whatever you want to call it. It's threaded, interchangeable. You can add different ones if you like. It's got the four-sided rail system to put whatever kind of gadgets on there you want. On this side, spin it around. Right here it says M&P 1522 and 22 long rifles caliber. Says Magpul right there. It says Magpul right there. I added this extended butt pad or stock pad or buffer pad. Or it's not a buffer. Whatever you want to call it, but it's Magpul. There's really no reason for it. I just felt like doing it. Thought it would look a little better, and well, just did it because I felt like it. So yeah, that's about it. And I noticed there's no plug in the bottom of this handle. I thought that was odd, but other than that, it's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet little gun. I'll be going to shoot it this weekend, so we'll see what it's all about. See how accurate it is, see how many hang-ups, misfires, whatever. Thinking it'll probably be pretty good though. But yep, that's my new toy. That'll do it. That'll get her done. Sights.